In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change your billing address on SHEIN app. Let's get started. First, launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the Me page. Here you're going to find different option. Click on the settings option given at the top right. Now head over to the option Address Book. While your shipping addresses can be managed here, your billing address is typically updated during the checkout process when you select or add a payment method. So start a purchase, proceed to checkout, choose your payment option. If a payment method allows a separate billing address, select Edit or Add Billing Address, then enter your updated name, street address, city, state or province, zip or postal code, and country. Review the information carefully and save your changes before completing your order. If your billing address is linked directly to your credit or debit card, make sure it matches the address your bank has on file to help avoid payment issues. If you don't see an option to edit your billing address, check your payments provider requirements or contact SHEIN customer service for assistance. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.